Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami sorting hat just like this one. I already taught a similar model some time ago, but now I created this new version that basically has the same result, but is much easier to fold. For an origami like this one, you'll need a square of paper. In this video I'm going to use 15 by 15 centimeters, about 6 inches. If your paper has only one colored side, start with the white side facing up. As the first step, we are going to have to make a little mark in the middle of the bottom side. For this, we will bring the right side to the left, then mark a little down here, and we have our reference. For the next step, we're going to have to bring the top right corner to this line we just made, folding the paper like this. So let's bring it carefully. Align this fold with the other top corner and reinforce very well. We can unfold this. And now let's fold this square in half diagonally. So we'll bring one corner to the other, make it all straight, and crease. Once this is done, we'll rotate the paper in this position, using the diagonal that we just made. Let's fold the left side. Done that, we are going to fold the right side over. Finishing this step, let's bring the remaining corners up . And then we're going to fold it down again, but this time leaving a small gap. Now, going down to the bottom, let's open this layer . After opening, let's round it up a bit, turning it into a cone. And this is the hat. From now on, you'll have to shape the paper yourself, giving the details of the sorting hat's face. You can do it however you like, but I think one way that works well is to first hold the paper in the middle, squeezing it like this, creating the initial detail of the mouth and nose. Then we can adjust the mouth a little bit, making it a little bigger. After making the mouth, we are going to create a curve up here, making the eyebrow or the curvature of the face itself. You can try to make the other side the same or a little different, as if the face had a different expression. Then at the end, we just need to fix everything we've done so far, making it a little more realistic. I also think it's cooler to bend the tip that was left on top. Then we can bend these bottom corners, creating the hat's brim. And now our sorting hat is ready! I made this other model with a little more patience. I tried to add a few more details, and I think I got a better result in this one. Maybe your first try wasn't so good, but the more you do, the better the result. I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time!
So, where shall I put you? Ravenclaw!